If you put your software out under an open source license, then people have a right to use it. Even if you ask them to take it down, they don't have to. Because one guy took down 17 lines of his open source code and ended up taking down Netflix, Spotify, PayPal, and Facebook. The left pad library, which just adds extra spaces so that your words end out aligned on the end of them. How does that take all this stuff down?
JavaScript doesn't have a standard library. NPM is the package manager for JavaScript. The language doesn't have many built-in functions or functionalities, so people rely a lot on these tiny little packages from random people all across the world. And left pad happened to be something that a lot of people wanted to do, patting things to the left.
The developer got in a dispute with another company, Kik. This company claimed they owned some block of his code. So in anger, he took down all of his other libraries, which were included by these apps, and it just cascaded down that suddenly nothing worked. So NPM, the organization that runs this giant library of libraries for JavaScript, there was a giant panic because everything broke and they realized what happened. They asked him to put it back and he said no. So they just put his library back up.
I imagine he was also pretty pissed off when they just put the library back up.
Now there are rules in place. If you put a library up and it's been there for more than 24 hours and someone else is using it, they keep track of it, someone else using it, then you can't take it down anymore. But it brings up this whole question of supply chain attacks. There are actual evil people in the world, which is not what this was. I think for a certain level of evil people, this was an inspirational event.
The problem today seems to be not that packages are getting removed, but packages are not getting removed.
People trying to make updates to packages that aren't theirs, or tricking the maintainer into taking this piece of code that looks innocent but actually adds a security hole. In a little while, the security hole will be in the code of Spotify, in the code of Facebook, in the code of PayPal, and then you can try launching your attack. In conclusion, I want you to subscribe.